Welcome back to Healthful Hints News. Today, we're diving into a concerning development in the world of animal health. Bird flu, or avian influenza, is now surging in cows. This unexpected crossover has experts worried about potential implications for both animal and human health. As you may know, bird flu has been wreaking havoc in bird populations worldwide for the past few years. We've seen mass culls of poultry, devastating losses for farmers, and even some human cases. But now the virus seems to be jumping species, infecting cows in increasing numbers. Bird flu is caused by the influenza A virus, which typically infects birds, while some strains can infect mammals, like pigs and humans. It's relatively rare to see widespread outbreaks in cows. But recent reports suggest this is changing.
We're seeing a concerning trend of H5N1 avian influenza cases in cattle. This particular strain is highly pathogenic, meaning it causes severe illness and high mortality rates in birds. The fact that it's now spreading to cows raises several red flags.
So, why are cows suddenly susceptible to bird flu? Researchers are exploring several possibilities. Increased contact, changes in farming practices or environmental factors could be leading to more interaction between birds and cows, increasing the chances of transmission. Viral mutations. The virus itself may be evolving, becoming more adept at infecting different species. Weakened immunity. Stress factors or other underlying health issues in cows could be making them more vulnerable to the virus. The implications of this outbreak are significant. Firstly, it poses a serious threat to the cattle industry. Infected cows can experience respiratory distress, neurological problems, and even death. This could lead to significant economic losses for farmers and potentially impact our food supply. So, what can be done to address this emerging threat? Enhanced surveillance, increased testing, and monitoring of both bird and cow populations to track the spread of the virus. Biosecurity measures, stricter biosecurity protocols on farms to minimize contact between birds and cows and prevent the virus from spreading. Vaccine development. Research into effective vaccines for both animals and humans to protect against H5N1. The situation is evolving rapidly, and it's crucial to stay informed. We'll continue to bring you updates on this story as it develops. In the meantime, remember to practice good hygiene, stay vigilant, and follow the advice of public health officials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more news and analysis on important issues like this. Stay safe and informed.